Hello, my name is Suzhou. I'm a PhD student in the Restoring Lower Limb Neural Connection, or ReLink laboratory, located at the APT Center in the Louis Stokes Cleveland VA Medical Center. At ReLink, we develop neuroprostheses that restore sensation and motor function from the missing limbs in people with lower limb amputations. For sensory restoration, participants are implanted with multi-contact cuff electrodes wrapped around the remaining peripheral nerves in their amputated limb. Delivering electrical stimulation to individual contacts on the implanted electrodes evokes sensations that participants report feeling from different locations in their missing limb. And we can modulate the intensity and locations of these sensations to provide feedback about the prosthetic's foot's interaction with the floor to the amputee user. And this allows participants to feel their missing foot while they are walking or navigating different terrains. For my PhD thesis, I am focusing on understanding how the sensory neuroprosthesis can improve walking stability and reduce the risk of falling in individuals with lower limb loss. When we encounter a perturbation in our day-to-day walking, we automatically make adjustments to regain stability and avoid falling. And typically, we don't have the time to consciously think about the immediate adjustments we are making, and so there is a large reflex contribution to maintaining stability. Implanted sensation plays a significant role in modulating these reflex responses. The overarching goal in my research project is to demonstrate that the sensory neuroprosthesis improves the ability of lower limb amputees to recover from perturbations while walking. Working at the Louis Stokes Cleveland VA and interacting with other investigators and students at the APT Center has given me the opportunity to directly interact with veterans with disabilities and learn about their needs. I've had the opportunity to get firsthand experience on the development of advanced technologies that can make a difference in people's lives.